me, Evie, and I am here with a Universal Standard unboxing. So a couple of weeks ago, they had a little promotional thing where you could choose what type of mystery box you wanted. I purchased the complete mystery box just because why not? And so that is what we're going to do today. I have not looked in here and it has been killing me. So let's just jump right into it. So I pulled this out just a second ago and it says, "Hello to your mystery box. This is the special moment. Get ready. Some best-selling exclusive styles picked by us just for you. That means you'll want to clear some closet space to make room for your new favorite pieces." And there's like a little coupon code. Now, I don't know if these pieces are in there. So let's just see, because, you know, I didn't want to do this without you guys. So it's wrapped in a nice black paper as always. Oh, it's kind of heavy. Let's just get the box out of the way. What it looks like. So let's just see what we have. Before I go into the clothes, I just want to say my sizing is a little wonky. I have literally 3 sizes that I'm in between with their sizing chart. So we just went with the 4X for the but I'm not exactly sure how it's going to fit. Like if it's going to be too big or too small, because I'm just having... like I'm trying to do the best I can with the measurements that I am given. But, so with that said, this is the first thing on the stack. It is a cami. It's just spaghetti straps. And the material is so nice. I could see this going under so many things, really pretty. And that is... what does it say? It's a foundation cami. It's white. It's 4XL. A 4XL is $38.40, and I'm pretty much a lot smaller than that at the top. So we'll see. Let's see. What is this? It's black. You can never go wrong with black, right? And it seems to be long. It has one of those shark bite slanted, like a t-shirt material. And yeah, let's just see how that's gonna look. So this is called a long sleeve v-neck Geneva dress, black, 4X. Okay, this last piece looks a little interesting. What is it? It is a smoking jacket for stormy weather. It's also 4X. Wow, it's heavy. I love the gray. It's like a grayish blue. Do they say what color this is? Let's see if I'm telling you the right color. It just says stormy weather. I think it looks like a bluey gray. That's pretty much what I think the color is. Okay, well, this looks like it's so well made. The pocket in the front is fake, though. Both pockets. No, actually, you can open them up. I don't know why they do that with jackets. They come where you can open them if you want them to be opened, or you can just leave them sewed. You can definitely open those though. So, okay, so I am going to try this stuff on, obviously, to see how it looks on my body and how the sizing went. And then I will come back and I'll give you all of my thoughts. The white top, I did put it on. It does fit. I do not have the right type of bra on to show it to you though. But I thought it was going to be super big on me, but it actually fit me quite nicely. You can adjust the straps. That was the key to this. The straps adjust. So that's really good quality. This shirt is light and airy. I can see me wearing this under a bunch of things. Let's see, what can I say about it? It is a ribbed material. It's just so light and flowy though, and I really do like it. And I love that it adjusts. So for me, this was a win. This will definitely be worn quite often. Now the dress. I actually really like the dress. The sleeves are a little long on my arms, but I can push those sleeves up. I'm not mad at it. So other than, you know, the sleeves being a little long on it, and so I don't know how much I would wear it out unless I had leggings under it, but I would love this dress here in the house because the material is not just a t-shirt material. I don't know how to explain it. It's not that silky material, but it is silky. Does that make sense? I will insert down below what kind of material the dress is made out of. It does have this like V-neck, and I have a lace front bra on right now, so it didn't show much, but it does kind of go down to your chest. Yeah, so the dress is a nice length. It has plenty of stretch in it. It's super comfortable. It would fit someone much larger than me, I think. I think this is very free on sizing. Now, let's talk about this jacket. This jacket is like a cross between jersey material by the look, but the touch, it's like scuba kind of. Let me take it off and see if I have a tag on it that can help us with what kind of material it is. It's lined. It's lined at the top where the shoulder pads are. And it comes with extra buttons. It's lined down the side. Okay, so the shell is rayon and nylon and elastane, and the lining is polyester and elastane. It's a really heavy material. It's a soft material. It doesn't like restrict you in your movement, which is really nice. I recently bought a coat from someone else sort of like this with this similar material, and it's really restricting. So I really love that this isn't. Washing this. Please, God, don't let it say. Huh? This will hardly ever get worn because it's dry clean only. Yeah, that's not Evie friendly at all. So that's my 3 pieces. I'm upset that this coat is dry clean only. Like, who does that to a surprise box? Give someone that, I don't know. I'm not happy that I got a dry clean only jacket. That just isn't good for my lifestyle, but I will live through it. So what I want to talk to you about is the sizing at Universal Standard. So for me, a 2X with them in the bust is 60-63. So actually, if we're just basing a outfit on the bust size, it would be a 2X for me. But we can't do that because I have a belly and hips, and you have to consider your waist. So For me, my waist is right at the 3X, 4X line. So it's, you know, to have a little room, you go with the 4X. And also my hips are 4X, which for them, the waist is 66 to 70 inches and the hips is 76 to 80 inches. I honestly believe with these provided inches that they provided, you can loosely go by them because I feel like their clothes are a lot bigger than these measurements. But I like that you can get clothes that actually aren't skin tight on you from them. And if you do follow the directions of their sizing, it is more likely for you to get something that fits. It's not too tight. It's the length that I prefer. So anyway, thanks for watching.